Hello, welcome to our national weather update from the Met Office. We're going from warm and sunny to hot and sunny over the next few days, certainly for most parts of the UK. But this is actually going to be a fairly typical setup with more cloud across western Scotland and some outbreaks of rain. The sunniest skies always further south and east, although a good part of Scotland and Northern Ireland will see more sunshine over the next few days. But certainly today, patchy rain over the Highlands, the Western Isles and Shetlands, maybe a shower developing over the Grampians too. Always a fair bit of cloud over Northern Ireland, southern Scotland. Small chance of a shower here, but for most it's dry. Plenty of sunshine across the Midlands, Wales, southern and eastern England, and that's where we'll see the top temperatures getting into the low, even mid-20s. A little cooler further north, but temperatures will be rising day on day through the rest of this week. The rain should ease off a little bit over the Highlands for a time this evening, but then another set of weather fronts will bring more patchy rain in here during the overnight period. Elsewhere, it's a dry night, a largely clear night as well. Temperatures will drop down to maybe single figures in some rural spots, but most towns and cities staying in double figures. That's going to be a feature of the weather over the next few nights as well. Temperatures will be rising night on night as well as day by day. Helped, of course, those daytime temperatures by the strength of the sun and lots of strong sunshine to come during Wednesday. Don't forget the sunscreen. UV levels are going to be high or very high through the rest of this week. Still some thicker cloud across northern Scotland, a little bit of showery rain at times, chiefly over the Northern Highlands and the Western Isles, and some cloud will bubble up through the day, but generally it's a day of lengthy spells of sunshine and temperatures ticking up further. So we're more widely over 20 Celsius across parts of eastern Scotland. We could get into the low 20s certainly, and generally further south and east, that's where the highest temperatures are going to be, somewhere in the London area, 27, 28 degrees Celsius, maybe even a little bit higher in one or two places, and higher again on Thursday and Friday. Through Wednesday evening, a very balmy evening for most. Still some rain though across northern and western parts of Scotland. I said that's the setup, and not much is going to change even through Thursday, where we'll again see this area of high pressure dominating. A subtle shift in the high as it starts to drift a little further eastwards will allow a warmer plume of air to come up. So as well as that day-on-day building, generally hotter air in place across the UK will allow the temperatures to tick up even further, probably peaking on Friday. And again, across parts of England and Wales, that's where we'll see the peak into the low 30s, maybe even into the mid-30s in places. Notice, though, there is this weather front which is trying to push into the northwest. That'll bring some cloud and patchy rain here again. But this one is likely to make a bit more progress. That's where the uncertainty is as we go into the weekend, introducing cooler conditions across the north, but the heat may persist across the south. But all the while, the chance of these weather fronts introducing some heavy and thundery showers. So quite a bit of uncertainty by the weekend, but certainly for the rest of this week. It's all about the sunshine, building temperatures. For the details, don't forget to stay up to date, particularly on those temperatures. Best way to do that, follow us across social media. And for the latest on UV levels and pollen levels, which are also likely to be high or very high, check out the app or the website.